Hi there, I'm Josh. Welcome to Air Conditioner Lab, where we review a wide range of home appliances and HVAC products to help you find the right fit for your needs. In this video, I'll be counting down my top 5 dehumidifiers for flooding and serious water damage, the kind of heavy-duty units you need when timing is everything. These machines are built to pull a lot of moisture from the air fast, helping you dry out basements, crawl spaces, and soaked interiors before mold or structural issues set in. In fact, all of the models I'm including have a built-in pump, ensuring water moves away from the damage as soon as possible. One thing to note before I begin is that dehumidifiers are measured in ppd, or pints per day. This is the maximum amount of moisture that the unit is capable of removing from the air within a 24-hour period. All product models and links are listed in the description below. Let's jump into my top 5 dehumidifiers for flooding and water damage. Kicking off my list at number 5 is the Costway 163-pint commercial dehumidifier, a solid budget-friendly option that still packs serious drying power. This Costway model is rated for up to 4,500 square feet, but based on my own use, I find that it's best suited for spaces around 2,000 square feet. It especially shines in warm, humid climates. It comes with a built-in pump and includes a 6.5-foot drain hose, so you can set it up and forget about it. Just keep in mind that the hose is a bit short if you're trying to drain into a distant utility sink. At under $425, this Costway dehumidifier is the most affordable commercial model on my list, and that price-to-performance ratio is impressive. However, be aware this unit struggles in cooler conditions. Below 65 degrees, the moisture removal rating drops from 163 pints per day to just 45. So if you're dealing with flooding in a cold basement, this may not be the most reliable option. Still, it looks great with a durable metal housing, rolls smoothly on built-in wheels, and offers simple digital controls for humidity and fan speed. If you're in a warmer climate and need heavy-duty drying without a heavy-duty price tag, the Costway is a fantastic place to start. The remaining 4 products I'm sharing today are all rated for temperatures as low as 33.3 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 105 degrees. This is the standard temperature range for commercial-grade dehumidification, making them reliable, year-round options even in extreme conditions. And one thing you'll notice about my top 4 choices is that they all come from Allure Air. This is a company that really knows what they're doing when it comes to serious dehumidification, especially related to flooding and water damage. I especially like the Storm series, but it can get a bit confusing to decipher between models, so I've made sure to break down all the important details. Coming in at number 4 is the Allure Air Storm Elite, a premium commercial dehumidifier that takes everything I like about the Storm Ultra, which I'll talk about later, and pushes it even further. This beast is rated to remove up to 270 pints of moisture per day, nearly 34 gallons, putting it at the very top tier of water damage recovery. Whether you're tackling a fully flooded basement, a warehouse leak, or a large-scale restoration job, the Storm Elite is built for speed and efficiency. Like the Storm Ultra, it covers up to 3,000 square feet, but the real advantage here is the sheer drying capacity. It's engineered to pull moisture fast, helping you stay ahead of mold and structural issues when timing matters most. Weighing in at just over 100 pounds, it's not exactly light, but it's still manageable thanks to rugged wheels and a reinforced handle. The built-in pump and nearly 20-foot drain hose give you plenty of options for where you send the water. At around $1,700, the Storm Elite is a serious investment, but it's backed by Allure Air's 5-year warranty and proven build quality. Plus, it's a great option for when you can't stay on site for the entire duration, because the Storm Elite has Allure Air's fantastic Wi-Fi controls. The Storm Elite will be overkill for most homes, but if you're a contractor, restoration professional, or a homeowner who needs the strongest commercial-grade performance available, the Storm Elite is hard to beat. At number 3, I have the Allure Air Sentinel HD55, the most affordable pick from a brand that's built its reputation on reliable dehumidifiers. This one removes up to 113 pints of moisture per day, and it's rated for spaces up to 1,200 square feet, making it ideal for crawl spaces, utility rooms, and basements. Retailing for around $575, the Sentinel HD55 is a great budget option, especially considering it includes a built-in pump and the same 5-year warranty you get with Allure Air's higher-end units. Now, unlike the Costway model, this Allure Air model doesn't come with wheels, but it does include 2 heavy-duty handles that makes its 44-pound frame manageable. It also has adjustable feet, which makes a big difference when installing on uneven floors or tight crawlspace corners. The Sentinel HD55 is actually the model I use in my own crawlspace, and it runs all summer long, pulling moisture out of the air and helping my central AC system run more efficiently. Now, if you're looking for serious moisture control and a compact, dependable package, the HD55 is an excellent starting point in the Allure Air lineup. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Allure Air Storm Ultra, a fast, powerful, and smart-enabled dehumidifier that's built for serious flood recovery. It removes up to 190 pints per day, covers 2,600 square feet, and includes a built-in pump with a nearly 20-foot drain hose for easy setup in challenging spaces. While it doesn't quite match the Storm Elite in raw drying capacity, it offers a fantastic balance of power, versatility, and price. At around $1,100, the Storm Ultra costs about $600 less than the Elite, making it a more budget-friendly option for those who don't need the absolute maximum performance. Plus, it comes with those same Wi-Fi capabilities, which is a game changer for monitoring multiple units remotely during restoration jobs. It's one of Allure Air's most popular models, and for good reason. You get strong drying power, app control, and long-term reliability, all at a lower price point than most premium options. If you want high-performance dehumidification with smart features, the Storm Ultra is one of the best tools you can have on hand. And finally, at number 1, the Allure Air Storm LGR Extreme. Now, the Storm Elite may have the most raw power, and the Storm Ultra is its younger brother, but the Storm LGR Extreme earns the top spot on my list because it's the best all-around option for long-term use. This unit pulls 180 pints per day, covers up to 2,300 square feet, and includes both a built-in pump and app control, all at around $450 less than the Storm Ultra and nearly $1,000 less than the Storm Elite. That makes the Storm Extreme one of the smartest long-term investments for homeowners who need reliable, heavy-duty dehumidification without overspending. The Extreme is more boxy than the other models in the Storm lineup and is built for permanent or semi-permanent setups. Think crawl spaces, mechanical rooms, or flood-prone areas where dependability matters more than moving it from job to job. Its durable shell, internal coil protection, and high-quality components are designed to last through years of tough use. And the Storm Extreme works fast. In my own testing, it dropped indoor humidity from 62% to 43% in just 2 hours. That kind of consistent performance is why I rank it above even the most expensive Elite, because for most homeowners, the balance of cost, reliability, and performance makes it unbeatable. If you need serious flood protection on a regular basis, or just want a reliable unit you can set and forget, the Storm LGR Extreme is the best all-around dehumidifier you can buy. And there you have it. 5 powerful dehumidifiers that can step up when storms or home accidents bring water into your house. With these models, you'll see results fast. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the information in the description box below. This includes all product links plus our most up-to-date article on airconditionerlab.com. See you next time.